taking over the world, one nerd at a time. Total Nerd Takeover.
Hello, Chris Gray here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this high-definition antenna made by a company called 1byone. It's their shiny antenna series, and it's a super thin antenna with a 50-mile range, and it has I believe a 20 decibel amplifier that comes in the kit. So if you're thinking about cutting the cable and trying to get some local channels, this would be a great way to do it. We're going to test it and see how many channels I get. And from what I understand, the high definition over-the-air signal looks better than high definition cable boxes. So there's a couple of different ways the company says you can hook this up to your TV. One is by connecting right to the TV, which I'm going to show you on the TV behind me. Another way is to connect to an actual digital set-top box. So let's look at some of the stuff that comes in the packaging. Here we have, this is the booster, or the amplifier. You would basically plug in a power cable which is supplied, and it would plug into a wall. And here is a regular coaxial cable that would plug into your TV. And this way you can get an amplified signal. The only way you would need this is if you're having a hard time picking up a signal, depending on the distance you are from an antenna or from a high definition over-the-air source. Next, we have the power cable for the amplifier. It's a USB to a male end power connection, and it also comes with a wall adapter to change the power over from AC to DC, so you can plug this in using the USB connector. Okay, so next we have the actual antenna wrapped in plastic. Let me take some of this plastic off. This is the shiny series, so I guess it's supposed to have like a shiny appearance. It also has these 3M tape stickers so that you can stick the antenna to a wall or to a window. There's also, you can actually buy an accessory where it'll hold the antenna, and you could actually put it on your entertainment area, or you can put it on a desk, more for like a stand. Also included in this kit are some instructions and some information. Now normally I just throw them off to the side, but these instructions seem to have some pretty useful information inside. It gives you an idea of how you can install said antenna. On the back of your TV, it may be slightly different, but you should have a coax cable input, just like if you were going to plug in a cable box into. Well, same thing goes for this TV. We're going to be plugging in this cable, this coaxial cable, from the antenna into this port right here, which is the antenna cable input. Okay, everybody's TV setup is going to be slightly different in their menu section. So what I did was I turned my input to the antenna and cable. What you normally would do is hit menu, or you would hit, there might be a menu button on your controller, and as you can see right there, the first option is antenna cable. I'm going to select that, and that brings me to this noisy looking staticky screen. Now from here I'm going to go into my menu and go to installation, and like I said, your TV is going to be slightly different. And I'm going to scroll down where it says channel tuning, and yours may say channel scan. And I'm going to select antenna over here and let the auto tuning commence. Now what's going to happen is the TV is going to scan and look for a bunch of different channels. Alright, so the antenna had found 28 different channels that I can use. What's cool about my TV is as I go into different channels, it'll show me the signal strength. It'll also tell me what the aspect ratio is and whether it's 1080p or 480i. So I went back into my settings and I scanned for channels one more time with the antenna closer to a window. I actually put it in the window, facing outwards. And when I rescanned, I was actually able to get even more channels. So I got like 52 channels. If you move the antenna to a better location, to an outside wall, and ideally to a window or even outside, although if you do use, this is an indoor version, so you might want to keep it like on the inside of the window. They do make outdoor versions as well. What a great product. I think 1byone did a phenomenal job. 20-foot of cable, you get an amplifier if you need it. Sticky tape, it looks good. I don't think you can go wrong. For $30, it's only $30. It's on sale right now. It's originally about $47. So you can pick it up for $30 with free Prime shipping. I will have a link in the description for this product. It's an Amazon affiliate link. So there's no extra cost to you, but we'll get a small kickback here at the studio. That way we can continue to make great video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.